Join us in creating a healthier future. Hey Southeast, be part of a movement that prioritizes health and sustainability. We Not Me Farms is on a mission to rebuild our food supply. Our goal is to create a system that benefits everyone. We're talking about safe, chemical-free, and non-GMO food for our families. Imagine every bite nourishing and free from harmful substances. This isn't just a dream, it's a necessity. Our health and future generations depend on it. Right now, big corporations control our food, prioritizing profit over health. But we have a plan to change that. We aim to take back control and ensure our food is safe and healthy. Using a private membership association, we operate free from government interference, focusing on what matters. Our goal: purchase property, grow chemical-free food, and create a sustainable model. We aim to provide the freshest produce possible, straight from our farm to your table. But we need your help. Your support is crucial in turning this vision into reality. With $500,000, we can get the first 11 acres producing through hydroponic greenhouse production. Go to wenotmefarms.org and click on the GoFundMe link. Every contribution makes a difference. Donate today and help us grow a healthier tomorrow. Your generosity will pave the way for a better future. Together, we can build a future where our food supply is safe, healthy, and ours. Join us in this vital mission and be part of the change.